Herbert Peabody and the chicken coop glow up. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Something's coming to the coop today. Let's find out what's happening. It's chicken coop glow up day. First, we start by removing weeds. For the mulberry tree we're planting. The weeds make a yummy snack for the chickens. And finding bugs is super enchanting. We take a spade to dig a hole and use an axe to chop away old tree roots. We dig and dig and dig some more and add fertilizer to fuel the tree's new shoots. We tease out the roots and plant our tree and gently pat the soil down. This keeps our tree safely in place. Then a protective fence goes around. The chickens have found our next project. We're planting out a recycled crate. A grown-up cuts the wire with wire cutters. The chickens think we're doing great. We fill the crate with soil and plant rosemary for Herbie cheer. It keeps our coop smelling fresh. Now we bring more soil from over here. We use the soil to fill the crate and spread it all around. Some lavender helps to keep pests away. And the chickens love the surprises they've found. Our chicken coop glow up is almost done. We water our new garden as the chickens play. Time for a celebration snack and teapot